Example 3. Finding the number of tickets sold. Tickets for a local theater production are $20 for an adult ticket, $10 for a children's ticket. The total revenue, the amount of money the theater makes, is 20x plus 10y equals r. So we've got some variables happening here. X is the number of adult tickets. So X is the number of adult tickets. Each adult ticket costs $20. So if I get one adult ticket, it'll be 1 times 20. Two adult tickets, it'll be 2 times 20, which is $40 brought in. If it's 5 adult buy tickets, it'll be 5 times 20. It'll be $100 brought in from selling adult tickets. So Y is the number of children's tickets. Each children's ticket is $10 each. So that's where these numbers come from. And what that gives us is a revenue. And that revenue is all the money collected. And the money collected either comes from adult tickets or children's tickets. That's it. That's the revenue coming in for this production. So, a theater company wants to bring in a revenue of $7,500 for each show. So they're telling me what the revenue is. So write the revenue equation in slope y-intercept form. Well, the first thing I do is I know what the revenue is, so I change R to the amount of revenue they want to bring in. Next, I want to isolate the y. So I'm going to take the 20x over to the other side. And I put it in front of the 7,500 because I want it in y equals mx plus b form. This is what we're aiming for. Next, I want to get rid of that 10. What's the 10 doing to the y? Multiplying. So we're going to divide by 10. Well, dividing this whole side by 10 is the same as dividing the first term by 10 and the second term by 10, which will give me a final answer of negative 2x plus 750. Using the equation from A, calculate how many children's tickets are sold if 200 adult tickets are sold. So that means x equals 200. And what they want me to find is the y value. So it'll be negative 200 times 200, negative 2 times 200 plus 750, negative 400 plus 750, 350 children's tickets would have to be sold if 200 adult tickets were sold and we got a revenue of 7,500. Well, what if we sold 350 adult tickets? That's more than we had before, so I should need less children's tickets. Let's see. That'll be 700. And we only need 50 children's tickets this time to get our revenue of 7,500 because we sold 150 more adult tickets. Okay, let's do the last example. Example 4. The line 6x plus 8y plus c equals 0 passes through this point. Oh, this is neat. Determine the value of c. Okay, so we've sort of touched on this already. If this point lies on this line, then it must satisfy this equation, meaning when x equals 3, y must equal negative 4. So if I know that x equals 3, and if I know that y must equal negative 4, then that leaves only one variable unknown. So what happens is, it leaves me with the c unknown. 6 times 3 is 18. 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. Plus c equals 0. 18 take away 32. I should be able to do that, but I don't want to make a mistake, so I'm going to grab my calculator. It's negative 14. Take the 14 over to the other side, or add 14 to this side, which means you're adding 14 to this side, and we get c equals 14. There you go. We're done. All right. Do the practice questions, and we'll see you shortly.